In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a signature in a template Pandadoc API. To begin, go into Pandadoc and open the area where your templates are stored. Look for the Templates tab in the main navigation and click it. This is where you will see the list of templates your team uses to generate documents consistently. Find the specific template you want to update, then select it to open it in the editor. Once the template is open, the next thing you need is a role for the person who will sign. Roles are important because they tell Pandadoc who is responsible for each field when the document is sent. In the top right area of the editor, click the option that says plus Add Roles. A small panel will appear where you can create a new role name. Type the word signer. Use the exact role name shown in the instructions to keep it simple and consistent. Then click Add. You should now see the signer role available in the template. Now you are ready to place the signature field onto the document itself. On the right side of the editor, you will see a sidebar with different fields you can add, like text fields, dates, and signature elements. Find the signature field in that sidebar. Click and drag it from the sidebar onto the document page, then drop it in the spot where you want the signer to sign. Take a moment to position it neatly, because the placement in the template will control where it appears every time the template is used. After you place the signature field, you need to assign it to the correct recipient role. Click directly on the signature field you just added, so its settings open. In the field settings, locate the recipient dropdown. Open that dropdown and select Signer. This step matters because without an assigned recipient, Pandadoc may not know who is supposed to complete the field when the document is sent. At this point, your template includes a signature field that is correctly tied to the signer role. Save your changes if needed, and your template is ready to use in your workflow. That covers everything you need to know.